Breaking news again, people, and we're headed back to Portmore for another brand new development. But this time, it's a housing development that was completely sold out. But for some miracle, a few units are back on the market. But before we jump into that, I just want to say thanks to each and every one of you who decided to watch this video today. The over 20,000 200 plus of you guys who decided to watch this video and support my dream of becoming a full-time YouTuber by the end of 2022. Thank you, thank you, thank you guys so much. And if you're not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? I'll give you like 2 seconds to do it right now. But enough of the chattings. I know when you're ready for the video. When you're ready, run me intro. If you missed the video I did on Monday about another new development in Portmore, I would advise you to go and watch that after you have watched this, or better yet, watch it first and then come back to this video. I'll link it in the cards because it gives some key details and insights into why this particular video today makes a lot of sense for a lot of people, especially those real estate investors who are hungry for property and are looking for the next best thing since Kingston. I mean sliced bread. Alright, with that preface out the way, let's jump into it. Real estate brokerage house Immobile Limited announced on Tuesday morning that 4 units from a previously sold out new development in Portmore called Helsha Green, which of course will be located in the Helsha area of Portmore, are back on the market. Let me say that again. 4 units that were all sold out. Well, the entire place was sold out, but 4 of those units have now or since been placed back on the market for sale. Alright? Now, I was waiting on some pertinent information from my favorite broker over at Immobile Limited, Mr. Ian Nelson, before I made this particular video. I still not have all the details I want as yet, but I didn't want all of these units to be sold out on you guys and you didn't get the opportunity. My subscribers, my viewers did not get the opportunity to even sniff one of them place here. So I don't have the full details, but Mr. Ian Nelson can give you all the details when you call him. But I must say, unfortunately, between Tuesday and today when I'm recording this video, Thursday, 3 of the available 4 units gone. Them gone, people. Them gone. From Tuesday morning, I want to make this video, you know. From Tuesday morning, I want to make this video. 3 of the units, them gone. But those 3 units are sadly off the market. You see me, I tell you people, if I were a betting man, I would bet that Portmore is going to be the next place that there's going to be a surge in the prices. If you can buy into Portmore real estate now, do so. But I am not a financial advisor. I am not a valuer. I am not a licensed realtor. So please do your due diligence. Contact the relevant personnel before you make your purchasing decisions. But more specifically, the current prices in Portmore, I do believe, are going to be, the current prices in Kingston are going to be the prices for Portmore in just a few years, I do believe. Alright? But don't quote me on that because I'm no license, is me? Do your due diligence. But anyway, if you are sad or vexed or just disgruntled in any way about missing out on the 3 units that went back off the market almost immediately after becoming available, I'm not hide and talk. I'm Mr. Nelson have to blame. I me that wait pan. Ian no kill me, but me have to ease off some of the pressure, alright? But full disclosure, people, I wanted to make this video from Tuesday morning as soon as I saw the post on the Immobile website. But nevertheless, 1 unit is still available and is really first come first service. Who can grab it first? It is a 1 bedroom 1 bathroom apartment that is available for 14 million Jamaican dollars in an exclusive gated community with just 48 apartment units and views of the Caribbean Sea. It also comes with a common pool and a park for recreational activities. The square footage I don't know as yet. It should fall somewhere in between the upper range of 600 square feet and somewhere between 750, 760 thereabout. Somewhere thereabout. Um, that's where the square footage will be for this particular one bedroom, one bathroom unit. Ian will confirm for you guys that when you call him at 876-854-4495. Let me repeat that number, 876-854-4495, to make your purchase or to inquire about the property itself. And this particular housing development, last I checked, was slated for completion in December 2022. And Mr. Nelson will also confirm that for you guys if you're so interested enough to call him. And again, this particular place will be located in the Helsha area, beside Cave Hill Estate, if you know where that is. I drove out there one Sunday, and it was more secluded, peaceful, calm, tranquil. That's the part of Portmore that is in the less hustle and bustle side of Portmore, and some from some vantage points you can see the Caribbean Sea just driving out to that particular area, and it's very beautiful. You're just minutes away from several beaches in Portmore, gas stations, malls for shopping, KFC, Burger King, Popeyes, you name it. It's just a stone throw away. Price Mart is just around the corner, and supermarkets as well within 5 to 10 minutes of where you'll be living if you get this particular unit that's left. All right, if you know about the area or live in the area or have lived in the Helsha area or close to this particular area that we're talking about, comment it down below and let me know what your opinion of the area is, and just so others watching can get a sense of what living in the area is all about. All right, don't forget guys to like this video if you actually like this video, and if you don't like this video, double tap the dislike button. All right, and don't forget that the goal is to live life on your own terms, and that is what I'm trying to do by becoming a full-time YouTuber by the end of 2022. And all you have to do to help me out is just to hit that subscribe button and turn your post notifications on. Oh, and before I forget, I have a extra special treat for you guys coming this weekend. I just hope that it pans out, and I do believe that you will absolutely love that particular video that I'm planning to drop this weekend. All right, but that has been enough from me, AB, signing out.